So let's talk about what the actual system will do. It'll pre-populate your details into the new application, right? So there's nothing for you to do in terms of having the information migrated. That will actually be fully implemented by PECOS 2.0. Whatever you have in PECOS right now is what will be there. The thing about it is when you do that new 2.0, when you have a practitioner and it'll be your first application that you ever do for them and they don't have a previous application, once you follow that questionnaire, the application will be heavily pre-populated. There will be a lot of sections where you don't have to do that manual data entry anymore. It's so nice. It's tailored to that specific provider, tailored to that, provider type that you selected and provider specialty. So those are the two things that you really have to focus on and train your team on, that they understand your provider types and your provider specialties so that the right information is pre-populated into these applications. The other thing that'll transfer over will be any documents, regardless of how old they are. Some of you have, when you get any practitioners that they've been doing this for a long time, you'll see that they have some old documents still listed in there. It's like, okay, this is strange. Why is 2018 still in here? So everything that's in there right now, whether it's data or document attachments, that will all transfer over. You don't have to worry about that. I met with a practice that was going in there and downloading everything and saving everything, and I was like, you actually don't need to do that. But if that makes you feel safer, go for it. I really don't recommend that you do that at all. I just recommend that you have other steps in place, and we'll talk about those later. The MACs at present will remain the same. They're assigned by the region, so you should be very, very familiar with the MAC in your region. You should have registered for the MAC in your region, so you should have logins for that, because they will give you a lot of training. They will walk you through it once it gets here. You want to make sure that you have those reps right on your Rolodex. For some of you that are much younger, you're like, what the heck is a Rolodex? You'll just have them on your caller list. You want to make sure that you have that immediately and fully understand who your MACs are. And they will definitely be remaining the same as of now.